This is another dish you can make with Asian chicken meatballs. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making teriyaki chicken meatballs. Stay tuned. These teriyaki chicken meatballs are full of Asian flavors and can be served as an appetizer, in a sandwich, or served with rice or noodles. In my saucepan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a third cup of water, a third cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm bringing this up to a simmer and cooking for 5 minutes. It is smelling so good. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this teriyaki chicken meatballs below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. To thicken the sauce, I'm adding in a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Cooking and stirring, and you will see the sauce thicken almost immediately. Now I'm adding in my Asian chicken meatballs. I'm just cooking and stirring until the meatballs are heated through and coated with that wonderful teriyaki sauce. These chicken meatballs are packed full of Asian flavors like onion, ginger, garlic, and sesame. If you would like to see that video recipe, I will leave a link here and in the Show More section below. The great part is that these meatballs can be made ahead of time and frozen. They are so convenient and delicious. In my last video, I showed you how to make a yummy Asian chicken meatball soup. The soup is so bright and refreshing. I'm serving the teriyaki chicken meatballs with some steamed jasmine rice. The meatballs are a burst of Asian flavors and coated with that delicious sticky teriyaki sauce. I hope you give these teriyaki chicken meatballs a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!